This is the Frugal Gardener. Just wanted to give you a quick update with the rain we had last night. We are now at 100% capacity. This is a 32-gallon barrel. These hold 5 gallons each. I have two of these watering cans. The orange one is somewhere around here. Those hold 2 gallons each, so that's another 4 gallons. And this is my lifesaver. This is my overflow barrel, 55 gallons. So this is full to capacity also. So when you add in these little jugs that I have, that takes me up to about 115 gallons of water. I basically use this, actually fits in here, and it also, if I can get this bee away from me, it also easily fits into here. So I just basically use the bucket. It takes a couple of seconds, just dip it in, lift it out, and I'm good to go. Sometimes I'll transfer it over to some of these smaller ones and make it easier to carry. But that's about it. This is the update to my second video on water catchment, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looked like when I have everything full. Might get some more rain today, but at this point I don't really need it. This is, for obvious reasons, catches all the debris and the crap that comes through, and it keeps that looking nice and clean. So that's it for the day, guys. Catch you the next time. Have a great day. The last thing I was concerned about during the storm was this area here. I have bins of potatoes. Yeah, I know, I can count. It's only 3 in this shot, but this small pot here, these are purple potatoes. My concern was that they were going to fill up with water, that the drainage that I have on here wasn't going to be enough to get the water out fast enough, but it did. So these came out in good shape. 1, 2, 3. And my little experiment over here with my peas, that worked out. So they're coming up nicely. In a week or two I should have peas and hops. Hopefully I will have some hops this year. I have to get those morning glories out of there. But that's about it. You can see some damage. That gives you an idea of how bad the storm was yesterday. And this is my compost. I don't know how that wood got in here. That apparently got blown in also. So that's it. I guess I got off pretty easy. And I'll give you an actual update. Well, this could be a problem. These are radishes, and I can see where these are actually flooded out also. I'm going to move this over into the sun, and hopefully that'll be okay. But right now, I'm going to tend to this. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for taking my little damage control tour from the storm last night, and I'm going to do a video in the near future on the progress that's been made in the garden. A lot has been happening, so I'll give you guys an update on that, and also on my chop inspired garden on this side here. So until next time, this is the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please tell your friends to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.